Thank you, Kaspersky Start México. This is AutoDrone. My name is Arturo Islas, and I'm going to show you what is this project about. Plain and simple, the AutoDrone is a safety device for automobiles. This device will have the state-of-the-art technology with integrated tools and to facilitate related tasks for a driver involved in any kind of car accident. This device will help the car driver and occupants for an incident such as car broken or car crash, a roadside assistance, towing, flat tire, dead battery, fuel service, mechanical failure, and medical assistance as well. What is the technology behind this drone? It's the same as any other drone that you could find in the market. However, it will have safe technology, which is the emergency LED lights, a power-wide connection, and alternative battery, collision avoidance sensors, drone application development platform in order to have new applications to integrate into this drone navigation software, and in the future it has to be aligned with some OEMs, depends on the automaker. The AutoDrone is a supplemental protection and is designed to work best in combination with the airbags and the seatbelts. For any impact, the AutoDrone is generally designed to deploy in moderate to severe crashes. In the automaker side, it has to be developed a new collision activate sensors. The AutoDrone has to be located in the car trunk or in the front or in the hood. Internet connection and GPS, which is now currently standard of the automakers. Safety consideration for gas, diesel, hybrid and electric vehicles, and also safety consideration for new and used vehicles. I'm going to show you very simple using this model car what will be the scenario ideally for the AutoDrone. If you have a car crash or an incident, the drone pops out of the trunk and we will fly over the car probably like 15 to 50 feet above the car. The good thing is that you do some presets on the AutoDrone in order to send in emergency messages or flying above the car. But you don't have to worry, the driver doesn't have to worry because the drone is attached to the car via this wire. As we mentioned it, the AutoDrone becomes an emergency signal. But it's the next step for doing that because it's going to have some new features. In case of the accident, the AutoDrone will require an internet connection or even a network connection in order to send in some emergency messages to any contact that you do in a preset or in a pre-configuration. It's possible that could send an SMS, a WhatsApp, or even an email for doing the location of any kind of accident. And the drone will have a camera, so it will be possible that you will even have a picture of what is the incident about. And also, it could be aligned to the police station, to the insurance company, in order to send in some information or before the insurance company is arriving to the place of the accident. As we said before as well, the automakers needs to do some develop new features in the cars. However, we believe that it's very, very simple because the technology is going too fast and probably these features will be ready for adapting this device. What we are looking for with the Kaspersky Start initiative is to doing a prototype, the development and the blueprints as well, and also work with the patents and the standards for Mexico and the USA because the automaker market, which is important in this region, and doing a demo with the automakers, and also working with the guidelines for control of vehicles as safety for new safety devices. It's similar when the airbags are coming into the cars. At the end, it has to adapt the cars for using this drone. Well, thank you very much. This is AutoDrone, and we'll see you soon.